Go and get it, honey. Good boy. Oh, yay! You got the tower. You like destroying the towers, huh? Good job, honey. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Yeah? Yeah, good stuff, honey. What a good boy. Look at that reach. Good stuff, buddy. You like pushing the tower, hey? You like pushing the tower over? Yeah? Hmm. Okay, playing with your blocks time. That's how he scoots. Good job, buddy. Good job, Daniel. Oh, good job, honey. Okay, that's enough of your behind.